In today's video, we're going to be building the boat model that came with my Bambu Labs X1 Carbon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy and I'm diving headfirst into the world of 3D printing. I'm learning as I go and I'm sharing my wins and my failures as my journey continues. Alright, let's get started. So if you watch my unboxing video, you'll see that I printed the 3D benchy and tried to attach the motor that came with the 3D printer. That was not right. It did not work. So now I'm going to redeem myself and do it correctly. So one thing to note, don't just scan the QR code with your camera and click on the link. That did not work for me. So open up the Bambu Handy app, click on Me, and then just tap the little scan icon in the top right corner. Now we can just scan that and it goes right to the model. And I'll just kind of walk you through this. So you can see that it's 4 plates. And if I click on details, we can see that we get the base of the boat and then the cab and then this little decorative piece that goes on top and the steering wheel. We can also see that this print takes about 7 hours by the time you do all 4 plates. Okay, so once all that's printed, we get to this point here. So I've been looking at this model and we can see that we have like a post here at the top of the front, and then there's a hole that goes in the bottom, and that just fits right on side there. But one thing to note is it's not like other models. It doesn't like actually click into place. So it seems like we're going to have to glue it. And I didn't really have any just super glue laying around. This is all I have. It's JB Weld Super Weld. It's kind of like super glue, but it's what I had laying around. But before we get to that, we can see that we have a couple of supports. So we've got one here and then 3 there that need to be broken off. So that one was easy enough. And then let's do these others. So that one come out very well. This one. Okay, easy. This is going a lot better than the Spartan SD card holder in my last video. And then that one comes out. So now that I've got those 3 pieces out of the way, we can see I have the little cab. Before I glue it to the bottom, I'm going to put the little steering wheel in. So we can see that goes inside. And that one, yeah, it actually clicked in and we can see it spins. So that's pretty neat. Let's see, does this? No, that doesn't snap into place. I was hoping it would. It actually looks like it should though. It's got little indentions there. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe it will snap. Ah, it does. Sweet. Okay, so that actually snaps right into place. So the only thing it needs to actually be glued is the little float that goes on top. So let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully this isn't dried up. And this is way overkill for this. So let's see here. Just a little drop. Okay. And then let's put this on the top. And then with this particular glue, you're supposed to use the UV light to make it dry. So we'll do that real quick. I can't remember how long I'm supposed to do this for. And we'll go all the way around. I'm not really sure if that light is getting to the glue, but maybe it is. Oh yeah, I think that's good enough. Does it move? It does not move. I think we're good. So now it's time for the motor. And we can see it has like a little clip here. And then if you wind the motor up, it spins. And on the back of the boat, there's a little place where that just slides in there. That was super easy actually. So now we have the boat. If we wind it up, it runs. All right, so awesome. We have our boat and let's go try it out. And let's see, does it float? Oh, it does float. Nice. Wow, I can't believe that actually worked. I mean, it does have a couple little nuances, like the motor kind of turns a little too easily, so it's really hard to steer or basically impossible. But it winds up, it spins, it floated, it didn't take on any water, it's completely dry inside. Held up very well. I wish I had like a pool that I could have tried this out and see how far it would go, but all I have is the bathtub. So either way, I think it's a great model. All right, that's it for today's project. What did you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Since this channel is brand new, every like and subscribe makes a huge difference in helping me to grow this channel and share projects like this one. If you're curious about 3D printing, consider hitting the subscribe button down below and joining me on this adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.